How to identify phishing emails. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to break down how to analyze phishing emails. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, knowing how to identify phishing attempts is crucial for protecting yourself and your organization. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into revealing sensitive information or clicking on malicious links. Let's dive into how you can analyze these emails to spot the red flags. 1. Analyze the sender's email address. First, let's examine the sender's email address. Phishers often use addresses that look similar to legitimate ones but may have slight variations. Check for subtle changes, like an extra letter or a different domain. For example, an email from support@microsoft.co.uk might be spoofed as support@microsoft.co.uk to deceive you. 2. Inspect the email content. Next, inspect the email content. Phishing emails often contain urgent or threatening language designed to create a sense of urgency. Look for spelling and grammar mistakes, generic greetings like "Dear Customer," and requests for personal information. Legitimate organizations usually address you by name and use professional language. 3. Check the links and attachments. Now, let's check the links and attachments. Hover over any links in the email to see where they actually lead before clicking. Phishing emails often use misleading URLs or attach malicious files. Be cautious of links that don't match the purported sender's domain or attachments from unknown sources. 4th, verify the email's authenticity. Verify the email's authenticity by contacting the organization directly using official contact methods. Don't use any contact information provided in the suspicious email. Instead, use phone numbers or email addresses from the official website to confirm if the communication is genuine. 5. Report suspicious emails. Report any suspicious emails to your IT department or the appropriate authority. Most email clients have built-in options to report phishing attempts. Reporting helps prevent further attacks and protects others from falling victim. Summary and key takeaways. To summarize, when analyzing phishing emails, check the sender's email address, inspect the content for errors and urgency, verify links and attachments, confirm authenticity through official channels, and report suspicious emails. By staying vigilant and following these steps, you can better protect yourself from phishing attacks. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Next time, we'll be discussing the future trends in cybersecurity. See you then.